You'll have love at first sight with the 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a family-minded Tiguan that delivers safety and practicality wrapped in understated style. From its driver assist safety features to its impressive fuel efficiency and available third-row seating, this convenient crossover has your back. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, dual zone AC, third row seat, power driver seat. Sleek style blends with smart practicality in this refined Tiguan. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.